Hi, everyone. Here representing the only girls in the hackathon. Woo! So our team is called Cosmonaut JukeBox, and we are composed by these lovely people here. We have two back-end developers. Was the front-end developer, and we have here Phil, which is our IoT developer. Big shout out to Phil because he built this super beautiful robot that you see over there. And he was expending almost a lot of time to do it. So it's really amazing. So big shout out to Phil. Woo!
So we came together, and I already had the thing with me, and I just carried everywhere to show how much fun you can have with IoT and smart contracts and blockchain. And yeah, but we thought about, hey, what do we have to do in order to make IoT and blockchain fun again? Because smart contracts are kind of nerdy and quite complex. So we thought about music, connecting music with emotions, and also having smart contracts as a queuing system in between, so that you even can say, hey, I played on the jukebox this song and it was really amazing, or you were just too drunken and you remember there was a nice song, but I don't remember what the name was. Oh, I can look in my wallet and I just checked the smart contract, so it's just there. Yeah, and also from a market perspective, it's quite interesting. You probably have heard about the Raspberry Pi and Arduino before. They just recently IPO'd, and they are estimating their market is going to be approximately 20 billion. I would assume with blockchain, and when we combine everything and have more fun, it can probably be even higher than that. So as a target group, it's electrical engineers, people who just want to learn IoT and IoT standards, such as Web of Things, for example, or who just want to learn how to develop smart contracts, but don't have really an idea how to do it. So we give them this to their at their hand. So yeah, so emotions. Yeah, nothing much to say.
Yeah, there is some stuff to say about emotions. Come on, all the engineers, we also have emotions, right? Yeah, so the idea of our app is, as Phil already explained, is try to connect ourselves with emotions through music. So we have a little interface where we are going to connect to the Neutron chain, and we're going to connect our wallet there, and then we're going to pay a small amount to play a song according to any emotion that you're feeling. So if you feel happy, excited, or sad, you just choose one of those, pay the transaction, and then automatically it will connect with this beautiful thing that we have here. That I don't know. I mean, I don't know if you can see them. And then we're going to get played a song, and we also want to have a beautiful light show with this. He did it by himself with his hands. He constructed a little thing, Lego by Lego. So I think it's really quite amazing. And well, we're gonna give you, yeah, a little explanation about the architecture of our little application.
It's really straightforward. We have a smart contract that has a queue with with just hashes in it, which are the root hash of a Merkle tree. This is an interesting point. I initially thought Merkle trees compressing data down so we don't waste space on the blockchain, and then around 10 people told me, well, it's Cosmos. You don't have to worry about it. Well, now how I've added the complexity, now I have the Merkle tree, all the proof, it's there and it's fast enough. So yeah, so we have the UI. It takes the song, it generates a light show, gradients, etc. Creates the Merkle tree, puts everything on the smart contract, sends the clear text data to the backend. We thought about maybe eventually we can also do IPFS, makes sense in this case. And yeah, the backend constructs the Merkle tree, also subscribes to or queries the smart contract and checks if the root hash is the correct one from the data that has been given to the backend. And if everything is correct, it just starts playing the music from the queue and the light show from the queue. And I guess that's time for demo, right?
Ooh. Okay, but before that, a little bit of what was our challenges? Breaking down the complexity between IoT and blockchain, proper queuing, and dealing with unfamiliar libraries. None of us belongs to the Cosmos ecosystem. I don't belong to Ethereum either. I just wear. Not yet. I just think that future is multi-chain. So, yeah. For the future, we just want to simplify the code and write extensive documentation, unit, and integration test. And of course, we would like to have some nice funding to also onboard other type of engineers, not only blockchain engineers. Come on, everybody's welcome in the blockchain and space, right? Okay, thank you very much. And now it's time for the demo. Okay, so that's a little application here. To into your emotions, you start here. As I said, you can connect your wallet, your Kepler wallet, and then you are here. Then you have to do the payment. Then you have all the emotions that you can set, and we are going to choose this time sad. So this triggers the transaction. You can approve it, and then well, the information is going to go to our backend server, and no.
First, it's consuming the Web of Things description from the device in order to understand what it's capable of, and then it starts consuming the contract, and it's not happening.
Oh no. Yeah, we all set now. Hmm.
Okay, that's why. The Ox platform.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Thank you.